told you all that I'm on this thing trying to eat a little healthier. So I have my pear halves. Okay, and then I have this large curd cottage cheese. And I'm trying to be mindful of the calories like someone suggested the other day. And of course, never ready for my mukbangs. That plastic spoon is not going to open the can, of course. So I'm going to go ahead and get me some pears out. Get me some pears and cottage cheese. So we just going to get 2 pear halves, which equals 1 pear. These were some little pears, though. They were pretty firm. And as you can see, a half a cup of this cottage cheese is only 110 calories. And the fat, I think, was about 7 grams. Now, y'all know I wasn't going to eat that cottage cheese off that spoon. I don't know why, but I do not like to eat cottage cheese by itself, only on something. Can I look at this? Oh, if I forget how. Yep, take a bite. I gave up on trying to use the spoon because the pears were kind of firm, and I was like, this spoon is not gonna cut it at all. So you're having to eat with the hands. And y'all know good and well when my food is good, I will break out in the dance. Oh. I was so stopped up this morning. Y'all know I have the worst time with my allergies and my sinuses. So I was like, oh my gosh. It was like I was hot, then cold, then hot, then cold today. But my hair look like it's cute though, right? Period. Y'all can't even tell, but my lace is lifting. But I have been prepping it for a couple days for it to go ahead and lift because I'm ready for it to come out. Y'all, I have not had cottage cheese and pears in so long, and I do not understand why I was eating this like it was gonna be the last thing I ate
Big old
today.
curb.
Well, breakfast is over. Time to get back to work. Who says you can't get your mukbang done while you're in the office? And until next time, my good people,